I think today is the day, guys. In my previous video, if you guys have not seen it already, we pretty much got the entire car prepped for wrap. We wet sanded everything, the trunk, the quarter panel, the doors, the pillars, the whole front end. The only thing left to do is the front bumper, which we will end up doing, but we can worry about that a little later. I think we're gonna begin wrapping though, guys. I think right now we're gonna try to get the door or the quarter wrapped and the trunk wrapped. I'm gonna try my hardest to get this video out in one part of the entire car wrapped. The only downside of doing that, if we do that, I don't know how long it's gonna take me with work and everything and just other things going on in life. So I don't know how long it will take, but I'm gonna try to get it out in one part, but it might be two parts. But like I said, we'll just kind of just go with the flow, but I'm so excited. So first things first, since we're gonna start on the trunk is the first thing we're probably gonna wrap, and then we'll move on to the quarter. We need to remove the taillights and the rear bumper, and then we will end up actually having, I think we could, yeah, we'll end up needing to also remove the side skirt, but we'll worry about that when we get to that point. So right now, let's get the taillights removed and the rear bumper, and then we're gonna go ahead and reveal what color we're going with. Pause the video, don't cheat, leave a comment down below. I have a feeling nobody's gonna get it. I really do have a feeling. I know we went really out there with the green, and now we're toning it down a lot because I don't want to say too much, just let's just get this stuff removed and we'll get into it. Alright guys, so here it is. This time around, oh, they even gave me a stand? What? This time around we went with 3M. Joe shows it down there. The last time was Avery. So, without further ado, and you guys ready? There it is. So we went with 3M. Oh man, we have some marks on it already. Hopefully, yeah, it has a protection film. We went with 3M gloss black metallic. Let me turn this light on so we can see a little better. Alright, so I know you can't really see still too well, but this is what I decided to go with just to keep it very simple, very clean, aggressive though at the same time. Nothing too over the top. The reason why I went with this as well as opposed to another green was, well, there was no green I liked. Tech Wrap had an amazing color, gloss hunter green, and I really was about to pull the trigger, but then I found out that it's actually very hard to wrap with. So this is what we went with. I think it's gonna look good. We are still going to be adding green accents throughout the car. So for that, you'll just have to stay tuned. But if you guys look at my roof, this is the same color we are wrapping it. Right now it's very dirty, very dusty, but it does have a nice little sparkle to it. Try to show you guys the best that I can. It has a really nice sparkle to it, but this is the color. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. If you guys are, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, comment below if this is the color you guys thought, or at least relatively close, maybe gloss black. But I think it's gonna look really, really cool. It's just gonna be just murdered out, especially with the taillights. It's gonna look so cool, guys. With that, it's just gonna be just all blacked out. It's gonna look badass. I'm so excited. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this measured, get it cut, and from this point on, we're gonna do a time lapse. Hope you guys enjoy. We are finally done, guys. I literally busted my ass since Wednesdays when I started this. So Wednesday, a little bit on Thursday. I think actually Thursday I only wrapped one door, and then everything else was Friday. And yeah, so technically like Wednesday, Friday, that's it. And then a little bit finishing it off today. I knocked this out, guys, as quick as I can because I don't want to keep you guys waiting. I want to get this done. I want to show you guys. I know you guys want to see this just as bad as I want it done. But we finally did it. Yes, we still have the rear bumper, the side skirts, and the front. The front is the last piece that really needs to be prepped. We still have a lot of prep work there. Well, not a lot, but just kind of get everything ready. And then we're gonna spray this black and whatnot. But man, there it is, guys. I am extremely happy. At the end of the day, you know, I'm not a professional vinyl wrapper. I'm still learning, but it actually came out pretty good. The one downside about black is, other than it showing everything such as dirt, fingerprints, all that kind of stuff, yes, that sucks. But it's also the body working. You know, I'm doing this all in my garage, as you guys know. I'm no professional by any means. I do this all for fun and I learn as I go. But it does show every imperfection. The green showed some, but it didn't show much. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. It looks so good. Check out that now. All of this being done. Now it just flows right into it. We still have to make those, but we sprayed, obviously, as you can see in there, all red, or also red, all black. Everything is looking good. The body work here is just perfect. You can't even tell anything's been done. Everything looks, I'm so happy. And then with these tail lights, we are gonna be redoing these tail lights. I just wanted to do them black just for fun because I was bored. I am going to be matching it to this, so that way it's not just a solid black and then this color. We will be matching it, but for now, it's okay. But it complements the wheels so good. I just can't wait to see everything done. And then we still have some green vinyl on the way, where we're gonna be kind of doing some accents. You guys will have to just wait for that, but I'm so happy. Make sure to smash that thumbs up if you guys like it. Leave a comment below. Let me know, what do you guys think? And of course, subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. This is just the beginning. Part 2, we will be getting these side skirts wrapped, the rear bumper, and the front bumper. Everything will be done, and then from there, it's just a matter of doing some detail work, but we also have a lot of other things going down, interior, exterior. There's a lot, but I've really been trying my hardest, guys, to get this knocked out for you guys, so we can hit 5,000, because I know, you know, at the end of the day, people like to see a complete car, not a car that's, you know, incomplete and doesn't look the greatest. So I did this as quick as I can for content, and so we can move on to other content in hopes of hitting my goal of 5,000. So I hope you guys can appreciate that. And like I said, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you guys think again. But dude, oh man, I'm so happy. Hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, again, thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. I hope to catch you guys all in the next one. Stay tuned. Until next time, as always, peace out.